are once again welcome to another edition of the program, Kaduna Electric Watch. I am Rukaya Muhammad. In its determination to ensure effective metering in its customers, Kaduna Electric last week took the National Mass Metering Program to Argungu, Yauri, and Zuru Emirates in Kebbi State. The exercise was not only widely accepted by the customers, but it also served as a turning point in our business relationship. The comprehensive reports of the events in the three Emirates, as covered by Kaduna Electric Watch crew, will come your way after the electricity news by Jamila Bala.
Here is the news, but first the major headlines. Kaduna Electric takes mass metering program to Argungu, Yauri, and Zuru Emirates. Kaduna Electric partners Kaduna State Government to fight kidnapping in schools and other violent crises. And Kaduna Electric explains why Kafanchan is still out of supply. And now the news in details. The management of Kaduna Electric has commenced meters deployment under the National Mass Metering Program in Argungu, Yauri, and Zuru Emirates in Kebbi State. Flagging of the program in Argungu, Yauri, and Zuru last week, the Managing Director, CEO of the company, Engineer Garba Haruna, who was represented by the Chief Technical Officer of the company, Engineer Bello Musa, described the exercise as a demonstration of the company's commitment to fair and transparent transaction with its customers. Engineer Garba Haruna disclosed that the board of the company has approved the procurement and deployment of 200,000 meters this year, an exercise which he said is currently being carried out simultaneously in the 18 area offices of the company. He disclosed that the company has earmarked about 15,000 meters to be deployed to the three Emirates this year, and appealed for patience, assuring that all unmetered customers of the company will be metered as the program progresses. Meanwhile, the management of Kaduna Electric has said that it will do its utmost in supporting the Kaduna State Government in tackling the menace of banditry and insecurity in the state. The declaration followed a meeting between the state government officials led by Governor Malam Nasiru El-Rufai and the management of Kaduna Electric led by the MD CEO Engineer Garba Haruna over the state of insecurity in the state and exploring the supportive role Kaduna Electric can play in curbing the menace. A statement from the company quoted the managing director, Engineer Garba Haruna, saying that as a public provider of a critical utility service to the public, Kaduna Electric will ensure all public schools and other security institutions in the state are provided adequate power supply. He said doing so will greatly reduce the risks of surprise attacks on schools and other institutions, particularly at night. He added that as a responsible corporate citizen, it behoves Kaduna Electric to rise to the occasion and support any effort that will bring peace and security to the state. He also commended the stakeholder engagement efforts of the Malam Nasiru El-Rufai led government in assuring lasting peace and security in the state. In another development, the management of Kaduna Electric has said that it has been holding discussions with representatives of Kafanchan community for the restoration of power supply. It will be recalled that the power supply was cut off after a violent protest in January, which led to burning of vehicles and destruction of the company's area office by thugs. The destruction of the office, the cost of which runs into millions of naira, has made it impossible for the company to continue operations in the community. Additionally, the company said the safety of its staff has not been guaranteed for them to resume their work. A statement by the head of corporate communication, Abdul Aziz Abdullahi, said, "Since the incident, a series of meetings have held with representatives of the community, which led to the drafting of a memorandum of understanding between the two parties." The memorandum of understanding, according to the statement, spells out how the cost of destruction is to be covered, percentages of outstanding debts to be paid by owing customers, a guarantee of the safety of all Kaduna Electric staff, and commitment on payment of current bills. That's the news. Thank you for staying with us.
In the interview segment, we have the Chief Technical Officer, Engineer Bello Musa, who discussed the significance of metering in the electricity business.
Ensure that the objective of electricity access by all is achieved. And so far, our directors have approved the installation of over 200,000 meters within our franchise areas.
Sir, how long do you think it will take you to cover the whole Everett or the whole places as you planned?
Well, the plan is to meter all the customers in Kaduna Electric, and this is going to be on stages. The first stage will be done this from now to the end of this year, and it's something that is going to be continuous. You know, I cannot say exactly when we are going to finish the meeting of customers, because customers keep on coming every day. Even if you conclude the exercise today, tomorrow you will have new customers coming up. So definitely, well, we have a target of ensuring that we meter all our customers as we have indicated in our NAC commitments.
Finally, what is your advice to the general populace to come and obtain their own personal meters instead of sharing meters?
Well, I think this is a very good opportunity for customers to really imbibe and take the advantage, because the metering doesn't require anybody to pay upfront. So it's just once we identify your house, we will meter you. You don't need to pay at the point of installation. So it's an opportunity for customers to really imbibe, and that will, will support both the company, the federal government, and even the customer himself, because you will not be harassed by the third-party vendors that come to your house to knock for bills or payments. So I think it's a very good opportunity for customers to really imbibe.
With this interview segment, we have come to the end of today's edition of Kaduna Electric Watch. Thank you for viewing.